Hi, in this video we're going to show you 3 ways to rename your hard drives and USB flash drives in Windows. So you probably noticed when you open File Explorer that you have names associated with your drives, like local disk C is a common one for your Windows drive. And if you install a new drive or format a drive, the default is to call it a new volume. And then even your flash drives will have their own name as well. But when it comes to your DVD drives, if you still have one, you can't change these, so that's one downside. But many people don't even have these anymore, so we're not going to worry about that. All right, so there are several ways to do so, and we're going to show you 3 different ways. So the first way, which is the easiest way, is to right-click on a drive, let's say our Windows drive, go to Properties. So you can see this doesn't have a name, even though it says local disk. Say we want to call this Windows, apply it. So for this particular drive, we need admin rights because it's the Windows drive. So if you're not an administrator, you won't be able to rename this one, but you should have admin rights on your computer. And now you can see it's called Windows. All right, so the second way is if you open Disk Management. So this is where you configure your hard drives. So you can see here, we have our Windows drive with its new name, we have this new volume, and our flash drive. So let's say we want to rename our flash drive. Right-click on it, Properties. So let's say this is a SanDisk 128. So a SanDisk 128 gig drive. Click on OK. And now we have it like that. And you can see it updated here. All right, so the last way we're going to do it is via the command line. So if you are into doing things via the command line, you might like this. And if you need to put this in some kind of batch file or script, you could do this as well. All right, so we'll type CMD for command. Open a command prompt. You don't have to do it as administrator. All right, so this time we're going to use the label command. So label, then the drive letter. So you need to make sure you have the right drive letter. So E in this case. So E colon, make sure you have the colon too, and then a space, and then the name. So let's call this my data, like so. Press enter, done, and now it's automatically updated. All right, so right click, properties, and you can rename it there, or you could even right click, click on rename, and change it right there. And then the second way is to open disk management, pick your drive, right click, properties, change it there, kind of the same interface. And then the last method is to use label space, drive letter colon space, and then drive name. All right, so when it comes to how many characters you could have in this drive name or volume name, it's going to depend on what file system you're using. So you can see here this is NTFS, so we could have up to 32 characters for an NTFS drive. And this one here is using exFAT. You could have usually 11, sometimes 15 with these types of drives. And if you're still using FAT32, let's say you have an older flash drive and you're just formatting FAT32 for whatever reason, you could have 11 characters. All right, so there are your 3 methods. So choose the one you want and start renaming your drives. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.